One Day on Earth on November 11, 2011, I want to talk about lumbar victims of crimes as resident homeowners. My father and family bought a home at 502 South Westmore Myers Road on September 1993, and since then we've had a lot of criminal activities. My father, who was healthy, became very sick and disabled when he was injured at home. He had a traumatic brain injury, an aneurysm, and developed a permanent disability as a bedridden homeowner in Lombard. I also have been physically injured as a resident homeowner in Lombard after my parents bought a home in Lombard, and also other relatives in the family had problems at home when intruders would come out with keys allowed by the Lombard Police Department. We also had problems with our vehicles, all of our cars. I had a motorcycle which was damaged on November 11, 1994, and I had a Derby Boulevard 150cc, and it became damaged by the Champion Cycle Center in Chicago. Since today is Veterans Memorial Day, I want to remember victims of lumbar crimes that have also died as a result. We want to remember them on November 11, 2011. One Day on Earth, I want to discuss today on November 11, 2011, like what happened to my family in Lombard as victims of crimes. My father, Mr. Roberto Hong, bought a home in Lombard, 502 South Westmore Myers Road, near St. Pius Catholic Church, near the Dyke Home of the Retarded, near the Easter Seals Retarded Collection Funds, and also near the school, Westmore Elementary School. After he bought the home, my father became injured at home by intruders coming in, allowed by the Lombard Police Department, who gave him a key to access our home and steal our belongings. I lived in Lombard now since 1993. I have been personally abused as a Lombard resident homeowner, including my family, my father, my husband, my mother, myself, and other relatives in my family. We also had property stolen. We have been physically injured, and we are not the only homeowners that have been injured. We have other neighbors across the street who were injured, and the neighbors next door were injured as well. So everyone who had a property in that area has been injured since they bought homes in York Township, Lombard, Illinois, DuPage County. One Day on Earth, I wanted to remember my father, who has died as a victim of crime. He was physically abused at home, became injured and had a traumatic brain injury, and developed an aneurysm, and had a stroke and became permanently disabled and unable to work ever again. He died at Vancouver Northlake Hospital, abused by the respiratory therapist, Ben Aguilar. He died on June 18, 1998. I want to discuss on Veterans Memorial Day victims of crimes in Lombard, to remember those who have died also as Lombard resident homeowners. On November 11, 2011, I want to talk about Lombard resident homeowners who are victims of crime in York Township, DuPage County, Illinois. My name is Gardenia Hong Whitler. My father and I bought a home at 502 South Westmore Myers Road, near St. Pius Catholic Church, and the Dyke Home for the Retarded, also near Easter Seal, which is a community nonprofit organization that collects funds for the retarded, also near Westmore Elementary School, and the Jesse White Secretary of State Motor Vehicles Facility. Since we bought the home on September 1993, we were victims of crime.